If you ever tried making a hitbox in Roblox Studio, and whenever you hit it, it triggered it a bunch of times. As you can see, it triggers like 20 times every time I hit it. But you wanted it to only trigger once like this, then I'll show you exactly how to make this. This is a really simple and easy script to make. All you need to do is create a part in your workspace, which you want to be the hitbox. So we'll take this part, and then you can scale this to whatever you want. We'll say can collide equals false. We'll go ahead and make it anchored, and then also just for viewing, I'm gonna make it a little bit transparent like these ones. You could call this also whatever you want. I'm gonna call it hitbox, and then I'm gonna create a script under this. You can use whatever script wherever you want, and it will work fine. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get the players, which is gonna go game get service players, and then we want to get the part, which is gonna equal script.parent. So if you're using a different script for this, then you'll get a reference to the part right here, and then we'll get local db equals false, and then we'll get local db wait time, and I'm going to set this to 1. Alright, so now we can go part.touched connect function, and then we're going to get other. We'll say if not db and other.parent find first child is humanoid. Then we're also going to check if players find first child other.parent.name. There's a couple different ways to check this as well. You could go like players get player from character, and then do that. You can do whatever you want. I don't think it really changes that much. And then in here you could say db equals true, and then this is where you can do your code right here. And then down here you want to say task.wait db wait time, and then we're going to say db equals false. And also, just to test this, we can go ahead and go print it. Now if we go over here and touch this block right here, it'll print hit once, and then after a second it'll be able to register another hit. Alright, and that is it for this video. If you have any bugs or errors, let me know in the comments. Join my Roblox group, like and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next video.